In this session, we will see how we can actually push our custom images like this Himanshu and application to our DockerHub account. So me or my friends or my colleagues or the people of my company or like my community can access these images which I have pushing to my DockerHub account because we have make some changes, or we can save the code, application code inside these images and then share this code or this images to publicly or privately, depends on us. But first, how to push these images to the DockerHub account? It is very simple. First, you need to log into DockerHub. So from CLI, run this command docker login. It is going to ask you for your username. So your DockerHub account. So mine is DockerHub Himanshu, and then the password. Okay, login succeeded. And always remember, see this warning, your password will be stored unencrypted in this folder. Now see, right? So in this file, if anyone asks you where your credentials are saved, so this is the file in the root directory .docker. This is hidden folder and config.json here, right? Okay, login succeeded. Now I can push my images to my DockerHub account, but as I told you, you need to retag or rename these images with the DockerHub repository name. Let me tell you what I am trying to say. Let's see, docker push and the image name, let's see, Himanshu. Version 1. Okay, see, denied. Requested access to the resources denied. Right. In fact, if I will try this one also, it will give me the same error. See, application 1.0. Same. So what we need to do, we need to create the repository first there. So let me go to my DockerHub account. DockerHub. Let me log in and create the repository first. I have already account. Let me sign in. DockerHub Himanshu. Okay, he knows me. Okay, I have a lot of. Okay, now create a new repository for this one. Okay, the name, let me make it test. Okay, test repo. Either you can make it public, either you can make it private, but you can make only a single private. See, using one private repositories, it means I have a private repository already. Okay, now create. I'm making it public, and anyone can download it or anyone can use my image. Okay, create. Okay, repository with the name and namespace already exists, so let's make it application. Okay, now see, docker push, DockerHub Himanshu, and the repository name like this. I told you this is why we need to tag our images. So first I need to tag that image with this name like this. Okay, now see, docker image ls. For an example, you need to push this image, this one. First you need to tag it. So docker tag and the name, this one, application 1.0, and now with this one, DockerHub Himanshu. First DockerHub Himanshu, and then the repository which I have created / application. And if you need to give the version like this, version 1 or version 2 to this, let's make it version 1.0. Now see, docker image ls. It is there, right? We have tagged this image application. See, Himanshu is same, application is same, this is same. We know, right? Because of the image ID. So let's push this one now. Docker push 1.0. Let's see. Okay, see. Okay, see, this is pushing to this docker.io, to this account and to this repository. Okay, you need to tag like this always, otherwise you can't push your custom images to your DockerHub account. Okay, now see, in a couple of seconds it will be here 1.0 with this tag. See, 1.0 is here. Now you can share this image with your colleagues, with your friends, with anyone around the world. So this is how you push your custom images to your DockerHub account. I hope you understand these concepts now. I will see you in the next session now. Thank you.